What is up, Jelly fam? How's it going? Where are we? Where are we, JBDad?
We're in Freeport.
We're in Freeport, guys, in Bahamas, the next Bahama Island. I have to wear my hat because, as you know, I lost my sunglasses to the mother nature of the sea. So I'm getting blind. It's my fault, though. I might have. So we're just heading there now. We're on the bus. We've got the all-inclusive courtesy of Carnival, by the way. Thank you very much to Carnival. Beach access, so like food and drink, and this private beach sort of place area. I don't know. You'll see it, you know. What? Yeah, you guys will see it. So we're going to head there now. And this place is beautiful, though, as always. But we're going to see some really cool stuff as we drive along, and I'll show you.
This highway that we're now turning onto is known as West Sunrise. To the immediate left, Freeport Power Generational Plant. This company generates all of the island's electricity. The island's electricity is generated by diesel generators. Yes, we have an abundance of natural power such as solar, but a lot of industries on the island is a monopoly. This is one of those monopolies. So it's pretty expensive for the average Bahamian to even attempt converting into solar power today. Princess Hotel and Casino. 2004, Grand Bahama experienced what was known as Hurricane Francis and Jane. It was a Category 3, 2 days apart, hit by a Category 4 that devastated this little island. This entire section completely went out of business ever since 2004. Today, it reminds Grand Bahamians of how dangerous natural disasters can be.
This place is horrible, right?
Yeah, it's disgusting.
Oh, guys, look at this. Look, we've arrived at our private beach with all the bits and pieces, guys. Look. Terrible. Apart from me being blind, but guys, amazing here. Look, they got like food and drinks all included. All these. Look, check it out. Like trampolines, jet skis, banana boats. The girls are having the time of their lives. Is that nice?
Is it fun? How good was it? How good was it? Tell me how good it was. Amazing. Out of 10.
1,000 billion.
1,000 billion.
Trillion.
Wow. Did you see any sharks?
Yeah.
Did you? No, you didn't. Whoa.
Okay, so it's buffet time now. Yeah, we're gonna enjoy some buffet, guys. I'm really wet. I've been jet skiing, but you saw it, you know. Too much music to talk here, really. Okay, obviously you're aware that we're on the Grand Bahama. One of the Bahamian, that's it. Local delicacy is conch, guys. And you're probably wondering what it is. The conch is sea snail. I haven't tried it yet, let's try it. It's good though.
That's good.
It's good.
I like it.
Oh. It smells good.
Spicy.
I'm really surprised. I thought it'd be chewy and like snail. your food anyway? How's your food? Yeah? You're having the time of your life after Miley went 400 miles an hour on a jet ski. Miley, you broke the sound barrier, Miley. Was that fun? Yeah. Just in case you didn't hear me before, we're eating dinner by the sea. Jamie's mum said, quick, the music stop. Just for a second. Copyright, guys, copyright. But the food's really good here. The service is really nice. Everyone is super nice. They said on the way here as well, the crime rates is 5.6%. It's ridiculous. I think the US was like 70% or something. I was back! I was gone again. So the girls were all in like seconds and thirds. Can't believe I actually like snail. What's the name? Is that good sea snail? JB Mom, my Tennessee whiskey girl. Ow! Isn't she beautiful, guys?
Big.
I need it. I'm gonna make my castle big. I'm gonna make my castle big, and then I'll draw stuff around this house.
JBDad's all the way out there.
That's how big.
Okay, so true Jellybean style, we missed the bus because we were messing around, as you do, but we made the bus come back for us, unfortunately, so we do apologise to everyone for making the bus. They don't look that mad. No, they all cheered when we came on. I should have been vlogging when we came on, JB Mum, but yeah, so we missed the bus. Sorry about that, everybody. Check it out. Hey ladies, want to be on the vlog? Say hey! I was just saying, look at you, look, with your tie, show everyone your tie-dye t-shirt, look. The Bahamas t-shirt and your wristband as well. Show them your wristband, look at that. All you need now is a guitar and you're a worldly traveller. Where's your guitar? Just pretend you got one. Pretend you got your guitar, go! You always play like metal. Are you tired today? Are you worn out from the beach today, aren't you? We've left, guys, as well. Look, we're on our way. We've left the Grand Bahama. Where are they? They're far behind us now. Look, there they are. Look, really far away. We're going really fast. And we're heading back to Florida now, which is some way that way. The water's so blue here as well. It's crazy. We're heading back to the Grand Bahama now. To Florida, guys. And that is the end, sadly. But we've got more stuff planned. Don't you worry about that. So make sure you stay. Subscribe.